Changing your LinkedIn profile URL is very simple. You want to have a simplified URL website address for LinkedIn so you can direct users, other people to your profile very easily. This is something that we recommend you put on your resume, on any contact cards you have, and on your email signature block. So how do we do this? We go into Me up in the top of this LinkedIn homepage. When you go into linkedin.com, you automatically go to the feed page, and at the top you'll see a section that says Me. You'll click on a View Profile, and then here it's not very straightforward, but you need to edit your public profile in this case. So there's a little box here that says Edit Public Profile and URL. Pretty straightforward. You click on that, it opens your public profile settings, and what you'll see here is what others see when they visit your profile without being logged in or as a public person, okay? And at the top, you'll see this section here that says Edit URL. Now, you can't just click on it. You have to click the little pencil, or some would call it a stylus, and that will allow you then to update the end of your URL. Now, it says here, note, your custom URL must contain 5 to 30 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters. Now, I will tell you it does accept hyphens or dashes because that's custom for LinkedIn. It's actually part of their program. So when you sign up for LinkedIn and you get a new profile on LinkedIn, you will actually have a profile URL that has dashes in it. So that's how we know that dashes are accepted. Sometimes all you have to do is remove the miscellaneous numbers and letters off the back of your profile, and it should be accepted. So in this case, you just change that section and you click Save, and you should be all good. Success. We have published your update. Thanks so much for joining me and learning more about how to best use LinkedIn. Have a great day.